here at Code for Kids at the Oracle Conference Center, right in front of the Design Tech High School. And we're going to find out how hundreds of kids experience coding for the first time and whether they like it or not.
Should I pursue a PhD one day?
What is name here? What do you think is name? Yes, variable. It's a variable. Very good, very good.
What are you changing?
Just the bottom number.
I bet you guys didn't really think when you were doing computers you'd be making dough.
So sugar is insulative, so we actually use sugar and distilled water in our dough. But if you wanted to make conductive dough, you would use just normal water and salt.
The next thing that we need to define is how loud I will play that, you know?
If you face your Arduino like this,
I think you need a chance.
You came in here, you weren't a fan of coding.
Yes.
How do you feel now about coding?
It's pretty fun. You accomplish something, and since you're like confused about it, and it's such a little thing, you're like, wow.